Hey traders, TG Watkins here. So let's see, there are a couple things I wanted to talk about from this recent week for this newsletter here. And right now, we knew that the market was oversold down here. Totally see that, we got that. And what I've been communicating to my subscribers and anyone else out there and stuff is that I was expecting some sort of bounce, basically chop, bounce, something to that extent, a counter trend move. And that is exactly what we got in through here. But I'm not, I just can't believe, I'm not trusting this yet. Yes, there have been some moves out there. What I see them as is mostly short covering rallies. Because that even if I were to say this is going to be a bullish move, I need to see a pullback first into support that holds, and then I'll be willing to say that is a bullish move. This is because of the elf shoe formation here on the daily chart, the 50-250 maneuver here on the hourly chart, and the inverse trampoline move, which is when price is over the 50, but the Moxie indicator below zero, which is how it should not be. Price should not be over the 50 if the Moxie indicator is below zero. So right now, I'm considering this a bounce and a downtrend, and we'll just have to see where that goes. If this turns into something more and more bullish, hey, we'll see that, and we'll see the pullback hold. The other thing I wanted to talk about is I went back through some old names that I like to look at and sometimes trade here and there, and Domino's is one of those. And we could see here how Domino's pulled back into its daily 50 and it bounced a little bit like this. Now, I'm also seeing the same situation, mostly because there are a lot of names that still have the 200 overhead, but for right now, they are holding their 50s, or maybe they did what the market did, is went down here and then they shot up like this. And I think Domino's is a fairly good example of what that might look like, that if this bounce generally, or the bounces that we're seeing out there are going to get sold into, then we're going to see them maybe come up and do a double top, or we're going to see them kind of move up, create a gap here between the moving averages, and then fail the moving averages. And then when they bounce, they're going to bounce into a downtrending moving average with the Moxie indicator below zero. So that's kind of an example of why I'm not so confident on the long side in through here. Of course, yeah, sure, there have been moves, just like, hey, look, there was a long move. But I don't think that that's going to be the safe trade, the primary direction of things. I am looking for generally these bounces to eventually peter out, and I want to see if they start to roll back over. But we have to wait for that to actually happen, since last week was a short covering rally, so we'll just have to wait and see when things change. So, all right, everyone, thanks again, and we'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.